In this video, let me show you how to fix Affirm payment not processing. So if you also come across a similar issue where the payment is not processing within the Affirm platform, in this video, let me show you a few things that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure or check is that you update the purchase amount. Virtual cards normally decline if the final merchant total is higher than the exact amount that you requested. So make sure that the amount matches and try to see if you can fix this issue. If the first step does not work, and if you're using a browser or the mobile app as well, you can try to clear out the browser cache or the mobile cache. Even after doing both of this step, you're still having issues with it, the last few things that you can try out is, first of all, check if your card details that you're entering are correct or if the card has expired. Also, make sure that your funding source is valid, such as verify your card type, as well as you need to contact your bank if none of these solutions are working out for you. Now, sometimes what happens, there is likely a simple glitch. In this situation, what you can do is just resubmit your payment. In most cases, once you resubmit your payment, the payment should go through and your payment should be processed. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to fix the Affirm payment not processing error. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.